In this guide, I'm going to show you how to check recently unadded friends on Snapchat. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to check your recently unadded friends on Snapchat, obviously open up Snapchat and you need to tap your profile icon up in the top left corner. From here, tap the settings gear up in the top right. And then scroll down till you see your privacy controls and open up My Data. It's going to then take you to a page that looks something like this. You might have to log into your Snapchat account again, but once you're in, go ahead and select the data that you want to download. I'd recommend just selecting all of these just like so. But once you select them, and we'll just tick on one of these for the examples, the chat history is really the most important thing, as well as the user information. Hit next, and you need to change the date range for like all time. That's what I would recommend doing, but if you know you were unadded, recently or whatnot, you could change it to that specific time frame. But essentially, go ahead and hit submit down at the very bottom. Make sure your email's in here because that's how you're going to download it. And then it's going to start the download process. Whenever it finishes, it's going to send that email to you. You're going to want to open up the email, download your data file, and in there, look specifically for an HTML folder. In that folder, find friends and scroll down till you see deleted friends. And that's where you could view the usernames and timestamps for friends you recently removed. That is the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.